where every family brings their best bitter wine.
А Гуйчжоу – замечательная провинция на юге Китая. И сегодня мы поговорим про чай.
第1回目としてまずお茶の話をしましょう。
Hello everyone, welcome to Zachary's Guizhou Talk. I am your host, Zachary. Today, our talk will be about Wang Yangming's second philosophical tenet, that there's a unity between knowledge and actions. Knowledge here refers mainly to people's moral consciousness and intentions. Action refers to people's concrete practices and interactions based on their morality. Therefore, the relationship between knowledge and action is the one between moral consciousness and moral fulfillment, and also between thoughts and practical activities. Actions are embedded in knowledge, and knowledge is also woven into actions. Wang Yangming believed that the two form a unity and should not be divided. From the standpoint of moral education, moral consciousness cannot be separated from moral behavior, and vice versa. The two concepts are both the skin and bones for each other. Knowledge must translate into actions, or else one cannot really know. Moral awareness and moral understanding are bound to manifest as moral actions. Without actions, there is no true knowledge. If you like our content, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and forward our account.